Here I'm showing how to create an item, whether it is an inventory item or a service item or a consumable item. So I'll log in as an admin. So after login, I can see the sales module. We have different modules. Under sales, there is a menu for product. So just click on the products. And we can see all the products which are existing. So I'm going to create a new item. From here, I have to give a product name or service name. So I'll create a product. So this is my product name. Then down, I have three options: can be sold, can be purchased, can be expensed. So MacBook is a soldable item and also purchasable item. Then here I can add the image for that item. Then product type is storable product because we have to keep the inventory. Down there is a product category. I can define the categories here, or else I can choose the existing category. So I'm going to create a new category. Just go down and create and edit. So I put a name as laptop. So under the category, there is some field to map with the accounts or the inventory part. The costing method, we have three options: standard price, FIFO, and average cost. So I'm choosing as average cost. And inventory valuation is automated. Like if we select it as a manual, there is no accounting entries are generated while the item is sold or purchased. So I'll choose as an automated. And down we can define the income account and expense account. Then save. Then here we can add the item code, then barcode, then selling price, the customer price, and customer tax, then cost. If we select the costing method as manual, we can put the cost directly here, or else it will taken from the purchase order, like purchase bill. And if it is a branch specific item, we should be shown only in one branch, then we can choose the branch. Otherwise, the item is common to the company. Then unit of measure and purchase unit of measure. Then there is an option post UOM. This is for the alternative unit. Like if we have an item in a piece, then the same item has a different unit of measure like box, then we can add it as here. So which is connected to the base unit. So in this case, we don't want that one. Then variance. Variance means MacBook Air has a different sizes. So we can add different attributes like size, length, color, everything, and the values. And in the under the sales, these all are the normal one. We don't want to change anything. Then if there is any retail like POS, we can add available in POS. So then it will appear on the post screen. Then in the purchase, we can add the supplier details like for this particular item, who are the suppliers, like their lead time, then quantity, and their price. Also the validity. Validity means on what period this much is the price from that supplier. In the inventory part, we have to define the type of inventory, like if it is a production item or the purchasable item, like that. So by default it is a purchasable item, that's why the tick is on the buy. Then in the accounting, there is nothing to do, it's all are connected. So from the top you can see the traceability. Traceability means for this particular item the complete history, like in and out. Then if it is a production item, we can define the bill of materials. Then the routes means when we purchase this item, then the warehouse and location routing. And put away rules also like that, like when we purchase this will go to the main warehouse, then it will store into another place like that. Then total number of purchase, total number of sold, then on hand, how much is on hand, then forecasted. Forecasted means the reserved items, then reordering rules. Reordering rules for the minimum threshold, like if we set the quantity as 3, then automatically when the item reaches at 3, automatically there is one PO is generated. So that is item creation part. Then we can add internal notes for this particular item. After that, we can just save this particular item. So that's it.